Hi everyone, this is Emily with Canix's product team, and today we're going to cover how to create and manage locations in Canix. Locations can be used with plants, packages, and non-cannabis inventory, or NCI as we call it in Canix, and they're a great way to help structure and organize your facility and your data so that you can reduce your errors when stock counting or for activities like picking and packing or auditing. Locations can be created in three ways in Canix: in the admin section, which we'll cover today, during plant packaging and NCI workflows if you don't see the location that you're looking for during those actions, or create and manage locations in bulk using our bulk uploaders, which we cover in different videos. In this video, we'll start from the admin section, facility data, locations, where you'll see a list of all active locations in your facility available to be selected in those workflows I just mentioned. To get started, we're going to select Create Location to create a new location. And the first field is the name, which is the primary location name available when you're searching for locations in Canix and the most available location name when looking at inventory in Canix. It's a free text field, so you can be as granular or specific as you want, but keep in mind that it can be difficult to manage accuracy as regulators come to look for inventory in that location. So if it is a very specific location, you'll want to make sure that you're specifying the right table or bed, for example, when creating new plants so that you do have that complete accuracy. Therefore, we recommend considering this administrative burden and strategizing a level higher up, maybe like the row, so that you don't have to manage as granular of a location like the bed or zone. Next is the facilities. This allows you to create the same facility name across multiple facilities. This does not link the locations across facilities, so any edits after this initial creation need to be made in each individual facility, regardless of whether they have the same name. The location type is default location type at the moment, but other integration types like BioTrack and Metric have different options to select from. The parent location is a way to allow more flexibility where you can have a more granular child location name, but specify where it exists in your facility at a higher level. All of these parent locations must first exist as regular locations. So if you don't see the location you're looking for, you can create a new location from here, which brings up the same form to create it as an option to select from here in your parent location. In this example, if you have multiple flowering rooms and they have multiple rows, it may be difficult to know which row you're selecting in the different workflows, like creating plants. So we recommend adding a quick abbreviation or prefix to your locations just to specify that a little bit clearer. Next are optional fields for square footage and number of lights to specify for calculating your yield per location, or just to view in the different reporting options as you look at reporting after things like harvests or your current inventory levels. As you create these will be created in your facility as they show up here on the table with our parent location and the fields that we specified at the end. If we want to make any edits, we can select the location name, change anything that we want to here, and as we update, any existing inventory that's assigned to this location will now be overwritten with this new location information. If at any point we want to remove this from our active location so that no new inventory is created here and no existing inventory can be changed to this location, we can go ahead and delete it. But any current inventory that's still active and assigned to that location that we just deleted will still have that location information in their tables and in their records. We just won't be able to create or change inventory into that location. All of the changes and creations that we did for that location can all be found under User Submissions, All, which will show you a record of everything that we've done to those locations here in the table at the top. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team at help@canix.com or view more information in our help center at help.canix.com, also up here in the top right.